Okay, so this is another hair review by Celie Hair. This is the packaging that it came in, this cute little bag that you could also store your hair in afterwards. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and start constructing the unit as I always do. I have a video on the hair that I have on my head right now, how I done that. So I'm going to do the same thing here, and I'm just going to speed it up so that we can get to actually putting it on. Okay, so here's the wig. I just finished washing it and conditioning it, and it's really freaking long. I think I'm going to cut this hair because I don't like just how kind of thin it thins out. Now, I don't know what it'll look like when it dries, but I'm probably end up going to cut her I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it, and I think I'll either curl it or flat iron it. You'll see in the next clip, but so that's where she is now. And then the front of her, she has her lace front on here that I have to work with as well. So that's pretty much what she looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and dry her, style her, and then put her on, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay, so as you can see, I've dried her out. I put a little bit of heat protectant on her. She's very, very long. Like, I think this is 28 inches, I believe. But I'm not feeling how thin this look. The longer the hair is, the thinner the bottom of the hair looks. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off, the thin part, and I'm just going to throw some beach waves into her hair while she's on the mannequin. Then I'll cut the lace off and apply it to my head and show you what basically she looks like. But this is how it turns out. Some really, really pretty hair. I just don't like it when it gets that long and then it gets so thin and see-through like that. So I'm going to cut that off and make her look like she's a fab, like she is. Okay. Okay, so I have cut her while on the mannequin and curled her. There's the hair on the floor, unfortunately. But it looks a whole lot better now that she's been cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off, put her on for you guys, and give you my final feel on this hair. But that is what she looks like. And let's see what it looks like on. Okay guys, welcome back once again to your channel. This is the finished product of the hair. I think I did put the clips in the beginning of kind of how I started the process of this hair. And of course I will leave all the deets to the hair down in the description bar down below. Again, this is from this hair company right here. I think that's pronounced Celie Hair. And it comes in this little bag here along with a instruction care manual on how to care for your hair. And it also came with this cute little mirror here. It looks kind of like a little diamond. Comes with this little mirror right here. Anyway, so I did cut this hair because I believe it was 28 inches. So let me turn around and show you kind of where it falls on me now that I have cut. I didn't cut a lot off. I really cut the ends off because I realized the longer the hair is, the ends tend to get a little bit thin and a little frayed. So I just cut that off and made it to a healthy length here. Now, I normally don't wear my hair. I do have it glued down. I normally do not wear, this is a frontal, by the way. I think I showed you that ear to ear. And I normally don't wear my hair back off the face like this, but the New Year's coming, and I don't know, this is kind of like a New Year look. I did my face for you guys, some lashes, the whole nine, but it's about the hair though. So what I wanted to show you, kind of an idea if you like wearing frontals like I do. So that's why I didn't really put a part in the hair, because I kind of wanted to show you an option on how you could actually put this hair in a really cute ponytail and look really, really sleek. Okay? Little ponytail situation here. Let me just put this bow on here just to give you an idea. Nice, healthy, thick ponytail, by the way. Okay? Which is definitely one way. Again, this hair can be parted anywhere in the front. Let me see if I have a comb in here that I can kind of show you. I'm very unprepared. I'm sorry. Well, I thought I had a comb in here, but I guess I don't. Anyway, you can totally part this hair. Let's see. Anywhere in the front. Anywhere, and the frontal goes back to about right there, so you can kind of part it. If you wanted a permanent part like I normally do, you could totally tweeze. It is not giving you a good representation right now. I apologize because I don't have a comb in here, but as you can see, a little bit of the part there. And so you can wear like a deep side part with this hair. I did bump it with the my barrel that I always use, the largest size, just to give it more of a, a wavy-ish look. And I shampooed and conditioned this hair. I normally don't do that, but with this hair I did, because I thought at first it was two different textures. So when I shampooed and conditioned it, I wanted to see if it was going to blend, and it did. So I don't know what that was all about, but it ended up being perfect. Let me show you kind of up close, just like the texture of the hair. And I could have did my frontal a little bit better, but hey, who cares, right? So the hair is really cute, really cute. Now it's at a very healthy length. I'm not really that girl that wears it super, super long. This is about as long as I like it, kind of, sort of. And it's some really pretty hair. I'm sure it will straighten equally as good as it did with the bumping of the curls. The heat setting on that barrel, I think, was 450. And that's the same temperature that I use on a flat iron. So this is a go for me, for sure. And again, I'll make sure I leave the company name across the top and down in the description bar down below. So be sure to check down there in case you're interested in some of this hair. This is a very New Year's Eve. I'm giving you New Year's Eve today with this hair. Okay, a little skin out. Doing the most. Okay, as always. As I always do with the hair. Loving the hair. And it's black. 100% human hair. It's not a mixture or anything like that. And I believe this was virgin hair, if I'm not mistaken. And it came, what got me was that even though it was 20, let me just make sure I told you guys all right. Yes, it was 3 bundles of 28-inch long hair. And then I think the frontal may have been 20 inches. The frontal was 20, and then the bundles themselves were 28. So it was really, really long hair. But I'm loving the hair. It's a go for me. Again, as you guys know that watch my hair videos, if you see it on camera, then I'm feeling it. And this is typically how I wear my hair anyway. Like when I'm doing black hair or whatever color hair, I usually just either bump it like this, or I do a just wear it straight with the part down the middle. And I don't know if that I'll part this one or not, probably eventually, but right now for this video, I'm actually liking how it looks. And I just finger combed, you know, the curls, kind of loosen them up or whatever. So again, this is what the hair looks like, you guys. Again, I am 5'7", so this is where the hair falls at on me after being cut. Prior to cutting it, it was like right to the top of my rear end, which was a bit too long for me. So I'm loving this hair. Again, check down below if you're interested in getting you some hair. Hunty, you know I love me some hair. And this is a go for me. It's really, really sexy. Stay tuned for a little photo shoot at the end of this video. Have nothing else to say about the hair. Again, I just made the wig. Just put it on for you guys. So as far as shedding, tangling, all of that stuff, I can't really speak on that right at this moment because this is definitely like a first impression. Just made the wig, just put the wig on. But right now, and I really haven't had any issues with any of the hair that I've showed you thus far as shedding and tangling and all that stuff. You get shedding when you tweeze, and that's typically right after you tweeze. If you brush it out real good, you may get a little bit of shedding then. And then, of course, longer hair sometimes will tend to entwine itself right here at the nape, which is why I always carry a paddle brush with me when I go out, honey. So I can just give it a little brush through, you know, knock the tangles out. That's just weave in general. I don't, you know, care who makes the hair. You're going to get a little bit of hair intertwined, which you're going to have to kind of keep a paddle brush and straighten it out. But this is the hair. I'm loving the hair. It's really, really sexy. I feel like I need to be going someplace other than showing you guys this luxurious hair, honey. Okay, so I will catch you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do check down below for any information concerning this company. And again, I will gladly work with them in the future because I like getting good hair. And that is all I have for you guys. Enjoy your day. Hugs and kisses. Mwah! Love you guys to the moon and back. Everyone stay blessed, stay positive, stay prayed up. Don't let anyone dictate your mood, fam. Do something good for yourself and always do something good for others. And be careful in the process. Always, 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 always. Got to do the most. Okay, bye y'all.